IMO has set limits on exhaust gas emissions and discharge water. Ship owners must be able to demonstrate their compliance with regard to SOx in the exhaust gas, pH, PAH, and the turbidity of discharge water. The Alfa Laval PureSOx system continuously measures compliance values. Alfa Laval is now introducing a connectivity module which will simplify your reporting of those values. All new PureSOx systems will be equipped with this module. The module lets you access compliance data anywhere on board using the Alfa Laval Touch Control panel. Its reports use graphs instead of data lists, making them intuitive and easy to use. Based on your GPS location, the reports demonstrate your compliance with the local limits. The reports are tuned to match the needs of both ship owners and port authorities. And that's just what you can do on board. If you join our connectivity program, the data can be sent to the Alfa Laval cloud. This way, you can remotely access your compliance data and can benchmark your system against others throughout your entire fleet. In the event of a failure, our service department can access the sensor data to do a root cause analysis from shore. That way, we may be able to solve the issue remotely, or we can send the necessary parts, and if needed, an Alfa Laval service engineer can come on board with the right spare parts to work on fixing your problem right away. Connecting your PureSOx system in this way means a whole world of benefits. Your sailing routes and sensor patterns will provide data to help you predict operational costs. Plus, your service and maintenance will be fully plannable, which could lead to zero downtime.